This is your sync to start dropshipping. No luck, only sales with this 2022 strategy. But first, if you like and comment on this video, then I will pray for you that you earn so much money like this in the first attempt, so that the dreams of you and your family can be fulfilled. Watch this video to relax your mind and start working with a free mind and consistency.
This is not gonna hold me.
Oh, you're totally clearing it.
Oh gosh!
If you've ever wondered how they produce
You're done opening, sweetheart.
Opening what's in my.
Knock my tree over.
This will temporarily confuse your mind.
Fogo, والله العظيم فوق.
Apparently it's in a reasonable time to drink wine because it's 3:15.
I don't know what day is it.
Today's Tuesday. Oh God.
You worried?
What happened?
Experience. Want some pizza? I can tell you, it's
Suitable timing in the video. pretty excellent work. Take a look at how rapidly these coconuts transition from rough skin to creamy coconut meat. To truly delight your inner self, nothing beats a specialized tool in the hands of a craftsman working on a clean design. It's something about the clip's repetition and mechanical style that appeals to me. Many of you are used to using Facebook to advertise your product. However, there is a new platform to use and you're on right now. It's TikTok. Now TikTok allows you to go viral organically without paying any ad costs, therefore being a much safer option to dropship, and you can have much higher profit margins. Personally, I've tried it and I've got over 700,000 views.
Say, hold up. Wait a minute.
2,000 followers on one account. Now I only got one sale with this. However, that was because I had the wrong product. People with the right products have been making hundreds of thousands of dollars just through the organic method, and therefore I am begging you to start now. Why this time start your drop shipping business with TikTok, and you will learn money like this in the future. But always remember these words: focus or consistency.